Products are another essential component of Cartify. The system categorizes products into two types: item products and quantified products. This demonstration will focus on item products. Let's delve deeper into the product section. Each product in Cartify is associated with a brand and a category. As you can see, both brands and categories within Cartify are fully manageable. This organization aids in efficiently filtering products. Now, let's add a new product. First, we need to assign the product to a specific branch and category. Next, we'll add basic information about the product. The most crucial detail is the label value, which functions similarly to a barcode. This label is integrated with Cartify's AI computer vision algorithm. When you input the product name, the label will be automatically generated. Therefore, it's important to specify the product name accurately to prevent any mismatches, even though each label is unique and duplicate names are not permitted. Furthermore, all of this information is manageable, allowing you to make changes as needed. It's important to note that the label cannot be updated directly in the product information. If you need to change it, or if a product is added by mistake, you will have to delete the product and insert it again with the correct details. Perfect. Let's add more products.